नमस्कार दोस्तों। हमारे देश में बहुत सारी एग्ज़ामें होती है, जैसे यूपीएससी, एसएससी। तो एसएससी का आपने नाम सुना ही होगा। तो आज हमारे साथ एसएससी के एक ऐसे प्रवक्ता बैठे हैं जो कि मतलब प्रवक्ता नहीं बोलना चाहिए, उनको एस्पिरेंट बोलना चाहिए, जो कि काफ़ी सालों से इसी में लगे हुए हैं। तो उनसे हम जानना चाहेंगे कि कैसा क्या स्ट्रगल रहा है, क्या वो खुद से अपने प्रयासों से और क्या आउटकम उनको देखने को मिल रहा है। तो सब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम नरेंद्र जी से आपका वेट कराना चाहें। जी नरेंद्र जी।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, पहले तो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि कई साल तो नहीं हुए मुझे करते करते, लेकिन हाँ 1-2 साल तो हो गए हैं करते करते। मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छे परिणाम भी आए हैं, कभी कभी निराशा भी लगी है, लेकिन मैं चलता रहा अपने पथ पर। मैंने अपने पथ को कभी नहीं छोड़ा। मैं भटकता भी हूँ, गिरा जाता हूँ, पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं। कंटिन्यूटी बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन बना रहे हैं, अच्छा चल रहा है, हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे।
तो अभी तक आपने कितने अटेम्प्ट दे चुके हैं और एसएससी में कौन सी स्पेसिफिक फील्ड में आप प्रयासरत हैं?
जी मैं एसएससी सीजीएल, जो कि टॉप एग्ज़ाम होता है उसका, एसएससी का।
सीजीएल में
सीजीएल
बेसिकली होता क्या है?
सीजीएल में कुछ नहीं, केंद्र सरकार के जीएसटी सीजीए के वगैरह ऑफिसर रहते हैं इनमें, विदेश मंत्रालय।
तो सबसे पहला सवाल मेरा, सीजीएल का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है?
इसका होता है कंबाइंड ग्रेजुअल लेवल, इसका फॉर्म होता है। तो ये बेसिक चीज़ है, कभी कभी लोग इसको भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन मेरे को याद है।
ठीक है। तो क्या आप किसी बिगनर को आप कोई आपसे सवाल पूछे कि कैसे क्या तैयारी करना चाहिए?
देखो, तैयारी तो मेरा ये है मानना कि तैयारी तो नहीं करनी चाहिए आजकल इसकी, क्योंकि कंपटीशन भी बहुत हो गया है, और कंपटीशन के साथ साथ इसमें वक्त भी बहुत चाहिए, और किस्मत अच्छी हो तो वो भी आता है, लेकिन सब किस्मत भी इसमें मैटर करती है। डेस्टिनी आपको कहाँ ले जाना चाहती है। मेहनत तो करते हैं, सभी करते हैं मेहनत, लेकिन पोस्ट कम रहती है, तो दिक्कत है थोड़ी। 2-4 साल आप बिगाड़ोगे अपने जीवन के, हुआ नहीं हुआ, फिर वहीं आकर खड़े हो जाओगे।
तो मैं जानना चाहता
लो
हूँ कि
पॉइंट,
किसने
दिस इज द लूप होल ऑफ दिस फील्ड। सो आई,
किसने आपको सजेशन दिया था इसका?
nobody suggests me, but I self-realize myself that in 2019
Okay.
I went Dehradun for defense exams.
Okay, you went
But
Dehradun.
yeah, but due to lockdown, I failed in that field. So
Okay.
then after lockdown, during lockdown, I self-realized. No one motivate me or inform me about this field, but I observe, I
I go to
I meet my friend Abhishek, and he went to fill CHSL form. Then I realized that this is a good field. He need regular exams held by our
SSC.
SSC.
Okay.
So I think this is a good field. The proper management and many exam in it, like CGL, CHSL, CPO, MTS, and JE, and many more, GD.
So basically, you are
deliveries.
currently living in Indore for
we
preparations.
I am in Bhularam in Indore.
Okay. So, what do you see the cultural wise? Do you what's about your point of view about the Bholaram or?
This is I think the worst place to live.
So why are you
Indore.
stay here?
There is some very problem in my life, so I came here.
Okay.
But now I regret that. In next month, I will give my exam, and then I shift from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो आपने काफ़ी 2 से 3 साल हो गए आपको?
नहीं 3 साल नहीं हुए मुझे। in 2022 I start it seriously.
Okay.
In lockdown, there is no proper
Guidance
coaching,
and
no,
environment of
yeah,
study. Yeah.
that. So 2022 is a full and 23 is a full. So approximately the I'm going to in third year, sir. Right, you are right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So good experience. There is very. It is difficult to maintain the consistency.
consistency.
Yeah, consistency is very important thing because the exam is very simple. It's not like.
But
rocket
why are
science.
you failing this
It's
exam?
my misfortune. You can say it that it's my misfortune, but because in 2022 last
Okay, 22.
22 December in 22.
Okay.
Uh,
It's about
uh,
1 hour,
one and a half year.
year.
Yeah, yeah. One and a
Okay.
half year. I gave my first exam seriously,
Okay.
and that is CGL,
Okay.
and also I gave CPO exam. Both exam I gave that year, but I failed. I clear cutoff of CPO, but I failed to get the mark to
So
qualify
do-
CGL.
You don't criticize this government not properly
No,
held exams.
No, government is not fault of government. It's government को दे रही है.
मतलब गवर्नमेंट दे रही है पर आपसे
It's my misfortune that I can't cut off. I can't clear the cutoff by 2-3 marks. in
कट
CGL.
ऑफ के बारे में बताइए क्या कट ऑफ
Cut off in 2002 the cut off.
Two?
2022.
ओके 22.
The cutoff of CGL is very low. It's 114 only.
Okay.
And but I am a fresher, so I only got 110 number.
Okay,
Out of
110. Okay.
But in next attempt I work hard and study very hard, and but I improve. But
Okay.
still I can't.
Clear the cut off.
Yeah.
Because others
Because-
also work hard.
No. No other works hard.
Seat are
Because seats are very 1/4.
1/4.
In 22 there is 36,000 post. It's very big mark, 36,000.
Okay.
But in 2023, it's come to 7,000.
7,000 only.
Yeah.
So you don't blame for this for government
I don't blame government.
because you choose the government for
No,
expecting
I
that.
appreciate the government because the normal thing that happened before 22, it's a normal 7,000-5,000 post regular, but there is a big
Hike.
gift.
Okay.
Gift by government to hike the vacancies
Okay.
up to 37,000. So I not criticize that why you are first in 2022 you hike the post up to 37,000 and then you 700,000.
It means you are satisfied with the government work.
Yeah, I am not satisfied, but it's not. I'm not satisfied with myself. But in 2022, 7,000 post. But in 24, again government hike in
Give the gift for,
4
to
times
the
high, and
students.
in 22, CGL post is about 25,000.
Okay.
Yeah, so there is also a good chance this year, so I am very confident. And in CPO exam also, the double the post in comparison with the previous year.
It means you are talking about CGL.
Yeah,
Previously.
previously I CGL I talking about, but now I am focusing on CPO exam. It's a sub-inspector
So
post.
if any fresher wants to come in the SSC field, then what the guidance do you want to say about this?
First thing I suggest.
Any coaching, specific coaching?
No specific coaching is SSC is a matter of self study. It's not rocket science to study maths very high. You normally learn things by YouTube.
Okay, you,
Yeah, YouTube is a
you
very-
learned everything from YouTube only.
Yeah, not everything. Firstly, I took coaching classes.
But you are denied to give
Because
suggestions about
it's my experience. Then
Okay.
why I
it's a waste of time and money.
yeah, not have both. You can
Okay.
say it that, but not. It's a
It's up to the
it's
student.
on aspirant that how his mind ability and what it's on the aspirant.
It's, and
So
any specific
according to me, it's a good field.
But
If
you are
you- if you-
previously
if
you
you are
are
reading-
just
if you
said
are-
that
if
it is not a good film.
It's vary from person
You
to
are
person.
give mixed opinion.
Yeah, I'm very confused, man, bro. I'm very confused. That's why I can't clear the exams yet. Yeah, that's the reason. I confused that whether I do it, why I do it. But
What I
still-
am doing?
Yeah, but still I doing it. But now I clear it. I am
Okay.
here to say you, promise.
Okay, you are damn sure about it.
Yeah, this year I'm
But why are you holding this Jai Shri Ram?
because without
star
this we are not. What we can, what tell me what do we have, what we will do in our life. We earn money, everything that we have also, but without the culture, the your roots, your religion, your
But this is a digital age, you know.
digital. I prefer everything. I digitalization. I my sarkar my sarkar also this
What this?
this. My sarkar also appreciate the
Okay,
digitalization,
Sarkar also.
but digitalization, modernization, globalization is the
Globalization, you
other
prefer
things, and the
globalization?
culture is other thing. Both
Okay.
you have to maintain both thing in the same way. You can't balance it. Like you focus on this.
Every coin has both sides.
Yeah, both side. You should carry both side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about Rahul Gandhi?
Rahul Gandhi is very nice man. He is a man of always he learn, always learn. But in his life he is very
He can't implement.
He's lad in life.
Okay.
Yes. He is very
It
lad.
means when
Yeah.
he born,
In the age
he
of
born, then he comes to in the elections.
yeah. He is very late in politics and
He's
he-
too young right now.
he's a young boy of around 50 to 55 years. Okay. It's a young man. Yeah, he's a very
Okay.
young man. And we,
What about the elections?
and in India election is a very I'm very keenly interested in politics.
Okay. And it seems like you are a pro BJP.
Yeah, I am a pro max BJP supporter. It's many reasons. The main thing is that I am the ideology of BJP is Hindutva, and I inspired by it, and that's why I am the best voter of that party. No matter other matters like
No matter whether the government doing well or not.
no, it's matter, but the government also doing well
But
in
his,
other things.
his minister Subramaniam Swamy claimed that
Everything is not perfect, so percent.
then why?
If you find someone that is so pure, then it's your fault.
Okay.
And
people,
especially is but
but,
and
but
especially
currently people say suppose that the Modi is perfect.
no, they are also. I am also don't recognize that person as a very perfect, but he's very curious man.
Okay.
He's very nice. He's like a man that comes in a era once in a era.
Okay.
Yes.
It means,
in 19th century there are many, but the Gandhi is Gandhi. In 22nd century Modi is one
You
of
compare
them.
Modi with Gandhi?
I am not comparing Modi with Gandhi, but I just give you example.
Let me know.
example.
Let me know what's your opinion about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi is a leader that I admire very much, but
But
the,
you-
but
you are,
but the
both
hype,
side.
but the hype that the Congresses give them, and they
Now BJP
Yeah.
gives the hype with the Savarkar.
no they
And Godse also.
no, not that much,
But
not
Godse
that,
also. Why
but-
Godse?
Not Godse. I'm
You suppose
totally-
Godse was good?
No,
or right?
I don't want to say something, and I oppose it.
Why
that
don't
God-
you say? Because
I oppose it.
he murdered.
I oppose it.
Okay.
I oppose, I condemn.
Okay, you
Yeah.
condemn Godse.
Yeah, no,
But,
yes, I condemn the
but
man
you
who,
admire-
who praise Godse.
okay.
Okay, yes.
Oh,
But
you
this is
support,
not this
you,
is
but you
BJP
support
also
RSS.
BJP is not also fully supporter of that Nathuram Godse is our.
But their supporters.
yeah, that's their problem. not the main ideology, but Rahul Gandhi itself said that Savarkar is that, and Arvind Kejriwal also said Savarkar ki aulad hai, and that is not a good politics.
It was politics, all about
Yeah, that
politics.
because the things that Savarkar did in 1910 and those days they 15 years in jail.
Who?
Yeah, and
Like what?
and then this man said that Savarkar is a darpok.
It's all about
Yes.
politics.
He is politics. He is the man that going in a jail for in a liquor घोटाला.
But
Scam.
when I think
and
when Arvind Kejriwal joins BJP, then he become more pure.
no.
Yeah, definitely.
This is the main thing.
What about this? What about this?
If I have opportunity to talk to a leader of BJP upper level,
Okay.
then I
Like
ask
Modi.
then I will ask him a question that you don't believe your supporters, your voters.
What?
Then why are you submit the opposition leaders, the Bhrasht leaders in your party? We are not able to win you.
Yeah, they
Yeah, we are-
can't
yeah.
win itself.
Yes, we are here to come.
But
government.
BJP doing bad, but you are supporting.
No, I think in my view, my personal view, in a field of agriculture, I disappointed very much. But it doesn't mean that I can vote it for Rahul Gandhi because he's the man very immature.
Okay.
He has no idea. He is a very
What do you
expressless.
think about Modi
He's very-
versus Arvind Kejriwal?
Arvind Kejriwal is I thought he's as you thought
Yeah.
2-3 years back that Modi is a good man.
Yeah.
I also thought 1-2 years back that Arvind Kejriwal is a good man.
But now your
But-
point of view has changed.
Yeah, also you
What?
are
No, I suppose like Arvind Kejriwal is most.
in a view of Modi.
Yeah, definitely. I supported Modi like previously.
Yes,
But right now, my point of view is
But-
opposite. Like
it's a
he's
it's,
doing.
but your opposition is I admire it, but the level you criticize the government is not good.
Why?
Not
Every individual have their.
yeah,
Point
it's
of
not
views.
that what you do. No, I just normally say you. Yeah, I just normally say you that in the field, every field other than agriculture. In agriculture also the maintain the level, but not that much.
Okay.
But in a field of but in every field, you know, road transportation and railways, you 100% of Indian railways electrified.
Electrified.
And yeah, 100% railway and the railways now in profitable.
Okay, but it is a private, right?
It's not fully private. You just hype them into the private, not fully private.
But when the Congress government doing
Congress-
the same thing, then BJP opposed.
This is politics, bro.
What
This
is
is
the
politics.
point of view right
This
now?
is politics. All the thing GSTs of Congress in manifesto.
What about?
Yeah, this is the right thing.
What in Congress manifesto?
Yes, the farmers bill also in Congress manifestos.
Okay.
Yes,
But
everything.
it has changed.
And the main thing that Congress oppose 370 CA,
It's also-
CA NRC. Then
That is for the main voters, like Muslim voters.
Yeah,
They target
but-
Muslim voters.
but that is wrong.
It's all about.
Their ideology is dangerous for us.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I am saying that Aam Aadmi Party is most preferable for
He
India.
is a man. He also very two-sticker and Rajniti. He is very chatur.
But Modi also
One thing I want to
asked.
teach you.
Okay.
Not teach. This is a very bad part. But I want to discuss with you
Convince
that
you.
Thank Modi but
no, you can't do. You can't do. क्या?
Say.
In Delhi,
Okay.
CM is Arvind Kejriwal.
Okay.
So ruling Delhi and ruling उस पे भी आऊंगा. अभी मुद्दे भटका रहा है.
Manipur.
अभी
What
देखो
about
बीच में बोल रहे बीच में मैं
What about Manipur? Yeah, that's a one point.
The Manipur, the problem of Manipur is not today. Today is not problem.
But
हाँ.
but they burn out right now.
Yeah, but now they peaceful.
What peaceful? The media,
What?
the media is not
No.
covering. It's not. There is no problem there.
Congress take the roads that held this year
What?
is because of Congress, because they
Oh,
they came this laws there of reservations or that
But since after the Modi government, like 2014, there is no problem. But now they are.
this is no normal thing. You don't
This
say
is a
that.
normal thing. This is normal thing.
Not normal thing, but in a like country you can't. It's a bad thing, but it's not meant that this is.
It means that you are just not say that it's a government fault.
It's
Like it's a normal thing.
It's a totally government fault.
Then why are you saying it's a normal? The
I'm not-
Nirbhaya Kaand is also normal.
I am not
normal
saying
thing.
that this is normal, but but according to you,
Okay.
tell me that what I want to say you that ruling Delhi and ruling Madhya Pradesh is two different things.
But Modi previously ruled the Gujarat. Then
No,
he
Gujarat
easily
is-
ruled this
It's
India.
India. It's not. I am not talking about that.
Okay.
I just want to understand you the difference between ruling Delhi and ruling
Other
other
states.
states like MP, Rajasthan, other.
Okay.
Because Delhi is a totally 100% urban area.
Okay.
It is the capital of India,
Okay.
where government levy taxes and very much. It's very simple. There is no farming.
And
So
the CM has no control on police. Right
Yes, there is no tension of vacancies and money
Okay.
given to them. There's expenses very expenses. There is on limited things and earnings very.
now? How?
Yeah. If
When you put your vacancy, you got lots of money from there.
no, it's but there's a problem that you are not give vacancies and yeah and go. There is no that problem. And yes,
But you are not claiming government, the ruling party.
the ruling party, BJP.
Yeah.
In many matters, I can again then for many reasons. And but the main thing, I vote. I can't vote Modi.
I didn't.
I didn't vote Modi. But if I have the opportunity, then I gave Modi. I gave my vote to Modi. It's not a thing of laughing.
But as a
Same
student, you
as-
are not casting your vote.
Bro,
It's a
it's
misfortune.
people hype that there is unemployment in India and there is no
That's,
there is no
definitely you are unemployed.
there is no government jobs, there is lack of
There-
government job,
yeah.
but in the center there is no lack of government job.
Okay.
Yeah, but instead I
But instead, also BJP.
yeah, no, I oppose it.
What about it?
I oppose it very criticize. I strictly oppose the Charan Singh Sarkar.
Not Shivraj Singh,
But-
it's a Mohan Yadav.
That time when the
Okay.
elections.
Okay, before election.
Yeah, but still, because the ideology is a bad problem of ideology.
Eh?
In a way, ideology problem.
Ideology.
Ideology is main thing. You can't understand it.
Okay, it's a
Yes.
it's a
in a few,
like,
in a
hierarchy.
in a
It's a come from your grandparents and
Yeah.
parents and
No,
now
it's
right
a-
now you.
That's the difference ideology. But the ideology of now the Hindutva ideology.
You grasp the same ideology from your parents.
Yes.
Then what is the thing that you are studying? What's the point of view you are studying? And
The man thing is the today's youth is thing that speaking about dharmas and Vedas and cultures is like it
No.
is illiterate.
They are
But
just
that-
said don't politics and do politics on dharma.
Yeah, without dharma there is no politics.
There is no existence of BJP without dharma.
I think in my view, if you cite dharma,
Then there is no existence of BJP.
yeah, then no, it's not anything, not
No,
a country,
no, because
not the country India,
why?
because this is a man thing. We have to grab it and got to upper layer with dharma.
You grab dharma from politicians.
No politician, but if you think that धर्म को अलग कर दिया जाए राजनीति से, तो क्यों कर दिया जाए? धर्म के बिना राजनीति क्यों करें?
वाह, मतलब विकास
हो रहा है, विकास अगर नहीं, विकास क्यों नहीं हो रहा? कांग्रेस से ज्यादा विकास हो रहा है।
तो
किसने कहा कि कांग्रेस से कम विकास हो रहा है?
तो कांग्रेस
ये आपकी
ज्यादा
सोच है।
विकास के लिए तो वोट दिया था
हाँ, तो
BJP।
हो भी रहा है।
कहाँ हो रहा है?
तो डिससेटिस्फेक्शन आ ही जाता है चीजों से धीरे धीरे। क्या? पर ये नहीं कह सकते कि विकास नहीं हो रहा है।
मतलब तुम अभी अपनी पॉलिटिशियन के जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है उनके
आज
प्रति
तुम
वो नहीं
देख
बदल
रहे हो
सकते।
कैसे देश बदल रहा है। उनको मतलब पॉजिटिव यू कांट से सिंगल थिंग पॉजिटिव।
कोई रूलिंग पार्टी के कभी तारीफ नहीं करना, दिस इज अ मैन थिंग।
या दिस इज अ मैन थिंग, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट, बट
Understand, but you don't.
understand there is a we have a opposition, we have not a good opposition, we are not a good option. Then where we put your vote?
If there is a leg of opposition,
Yeah.
why are you not casting against the ruling party? The opposition will become more stronger.
No, he can't, because
You made the opposition this time.
the leader of the opposition is very
That's the problem. You don't.
they are
you didn't
narrow minded.
say
They are
that.
narrow minded.
What about the Arvind Kejriwal?
I after a liquor case, I can say.
Their liquor case is all about politics.
No politics.
There in UP, lots of liquor sales, soaps are sold by the government and
Everywhere.
lots of money.
Corruption is everywhere.
Then why?
Corruption is
Then
everywhere.
what is the point of
But
view?
you
You
think-
are directly blamed the.
But
How
so
about-
in your view that you accepted that Kejriwal did it,
It's,
liquor scam.
Yeah,
But
that's why he is in jail. But in other parties, what about BJP?
Yeah.
They are all
so that's why
rapists are there.
that's why we vote Modi
BJP.
to change the constitution of
But
India.
the Modi
The constitution of India needs to be changed.
The boxers, mentor of boxers, are blamed that he is rapist, and he still get the seat.
No, it's not he. It's not he. The main thing is that.
Okay, guys, thank you. Let's see you in another video. Please do subscribe.
So we talk in every matter of our country ना.
और किस
like,
मैटर पे आपको हम अगली बार में डिस्कशन करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें तो हमने एसएससी प्लस पॉलिटिक्स को ले लिया था।
Yeah.
अगले में क्या आप यूपीएससी देखना चाहेंगे या फिर क्रिकेट के बारे में, प्लीज
या-
बताइए।
या फिर अन्ना मलाई के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. अन्ना मलाई तो भाई.
Oh, South Indian.
Yeah, South Indian
IPS.
Yeah, IPS. That's IPS.
तो क्या
He's a very vibrant, brilliant and very
Ignore the voice.
eloquent man. Eloquent man.
अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं। ये आधा घंटे का वीडियो हो गया,
BJP
अपलोड करने में काफी टाइम
BJP's main thing.
लगेगा।
BJP's main thing.
He is a pro BJP. Don't ignore him. Ignore
BJP
him.
win because they gave opportunity to every youth,
Okay.
every talent.
But why Sachin Pilot?
Empire is a mad boy. He can't